Hello everyone, today we're diving into the exciting career of one of NASCAR's most talented drivers, Brad Keselowski. From his beginnings in racing to becoming a Cup Series champion, Brad's journey is a story of passion, perseverance, and success. Brad Keselowski was born on February 12, 1984, in Rochester Hills, Michigan. He grew up in a racing family. His father, Bob Keselowski, was a former driver, and his uncle, Don Keselowski, was also involved in the sport. It's no surprise that Brad was drawn to racing from a young age. He started his professional racing career in the late 2000s, entering the NASCAR Nationwide Series, now known as the Xfinity Series, where he quickly made a name for himself. In 2008, he secured his first win in the series at the famous Gateway International Raceway. That victory helped him secure a full-time ride in the Sprint Cup Series, now known as the NASCAR Cup Series. Brad's big breakthrough came in 2012 when he clinched the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series championship. This victory was huge for both Brad and his team, as it marked his first ever Cup Series championship. Keselowski's calm and determined racing style, combined with his ability to consistently finish strong throughout the season, earned him that coveted championship. He drove for Penske Racing, one of the sport's most iconic teams, and under the leadership of team owner Roger Penske, Brad was able to truly shine. His success was not just limited to his championship year. He became a key figure in the sport, consistently challenging the top drivers for race wins and solid finishes. But what sets Brad Keselowski apart from other drivers? Well, he's known for his versatility and his fearless attitude. Brad is not just a competitive racer on the track, but he's also a strong advocate for safety within the sport. In 2012, following a major crash that involved driver safety, Keselowski was a vocal proponent of improving NASCAR's safety standards, even going so far as to speak directly to NASCAR officials to make the sport safer for future drivers. In addition to his success in racing, Brad has made his mark off the track. He's a businessman with investments in a variety of fields, including a racing team of his own, Keselowski Advanced Manufacturing. This company is focused on the manufacturing of advanced technologies, a great example of Brad's entrepreneurial spirit. Brad Keselowski's achievements also include being a skilled superspeedway racer. He's won multiple races at legendary tracks like Talladega Superspeedway and Daytona International Speedway. These victories have only added to his reputation as one of the most well-rounded drivers in the sport. As of now, Brad remains a competitive force in NASCAR, consistently working hard to maintain his position among the sport's elite. His career is a testament to the power of hard work, talent, and a deep love for the sport of racing. To sum it up, Brad Keselowski has shown us that success isn't just about winning races. It's about building a legacy, working to improve the sport, and always striving for greatness. Whether it's as a driver, a businessman, or a leader in driver safety, Brad continues to be a name that NASCAR fans admire and respect. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on Brad Keselowski's incredible career.